In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your career using Glassdoor tools, step by step 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to glassdoor.com. This is your hub for job listings, company reviews, salary insights, and interview experiences, all in one place. Next, log into your Glassdoor account. Keep this quick. Sign in so your searches, saved roles, and alerts are personalized. If you're new, creating a free account unlocks reviews, salary tools, and tailored recommendations. Now go to the Jobs section and optimize your search. Enter a role or skill, choose your location, and apply filters such as salary range, remote options, company rating, and size. Save searches and turn on alerts so new, relevant roles come to you. Planning your career here means pairing real-time job data with insights from reviews, salaries, and interviews. Then using AI to help you organize and act on what you find. Use Glassdoor for research and exploration. Identify paths and demand by scanning trends in job titles, required skills, and growth areas. When a company catches your eye, read reviews to understand culture, leadership, and stability. These real employee perspectives help you separate hype from reality. If you want help mapping possibilities, tools like Google's Career Dreamer can suggest roles that align with your skills and interests. Do a skill gap analysis next. Open several job descriptions for your target role and note recurring qualifications, technical tools, certifications, and soft skills. Compare them to your current resume to spot gaps. Then build a focused learning plan with AI. Ask for a sequence of courses, projects, and practice tasks that fit your timeline and budget. Whether you're leveling up in digital marketing or software development, benchmark your compensation. Use Glassdoor's salary calculator to estimate pay based on location and experience. Go beyond the base number. Check company profiles for benefits like health coverage, paid time off, bonuses, equity, and flexible work. Total compensation and quality of life matter. Move into your application strategy. Upload your resume to get tailored job recommendations. Fine-tune each application to mirror the language of the job post. Use AI to polish your resume and draft concise cover letters that highlight measurable impact. Prepare for interviews using insider insights. Read shared interview questions and candidate experiences for the exact companies you're targeting. Practice with AI interview simulators to rehearse behavioral answers and tighten your storytelling. A few final actions keep you organized. Follow your dream companies to stay updated on new roles. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, so your plan has clear milestones. To wrap up, run a quick checklist in your head. You visited Glassdoor, logged in, optimized your job search, researched roles and companies, analyzed your skill gaps, benchmarked pay and benefits, tailored applications, prepared for interviews, created or confirmed your free account, followed target companies, and set SMART goals. With these steps in place, you're not just job hunting, you're building a confident, data-driven career plan.